Bulgarian RoRo and Ropax to embark deck and engine 1350 AB able seamen 24 STCW or 25 with a basic Italian plus not required English. I know in Bulgaria most deck and engine crew speak English, so it's very important to pass, like, subscribe, because this company of 55 Ropax and 22 RoRos start 37,000 tons up 67, then the Ropax 67,000 tons. Total, we're talking about deck and engine, both fleets, 77 ships, would be around 1,500. If it was all Bulgarian, 1,500 at home and then 1,500 approx on board, as total 3,000 deck and engine crew. Then it's very important to have the Codice Fiscale, fiscal code. If you already have this code, grazie, molte grazie. It's very important to speak Italian, and then it's Italian flag with social security. So then the AP is 3,000 euros, 3,001 or 200 according to experience, and then we need the plumber, fitter, petty officers. Also we need then officers start 3,600. Some say yes, but there's not much gap between AB and third officer, and I say yes, but you need to go on board, improve your Italian, learn the Italian with the rest of the crew, because you are going to be in charge of operations of the ship, and Italian language is a must for safety. Safety is first. Therefore, it is important that you start with that weight, same thing for the fourth engineer, and then you start going up the ladder, always stability, shorter contracts the more you promote. And then we need in the catering side around 6,000 people in the catering side on board, and then at home. Perhaps some of you are cruise ships, perhaps other hotels, you're doing like room mates, and you are getting 1,000 euros in Bulgaria, in the Black Sea area. Perhaps now we have this opportunity to get, for example, 2,200 euro and start from there with no experience. If you have 1 year experience, 2,400, and then if you're a steward with 3 years experience on board cruise ships, then 2,900 plus social security. If we go to the kitchen of the RoRos, is 2,500, 2,400 net plus social security. If we go to the kitchen cook of the Ropax, then it's 3,200 euros net. Apply urgently because Candina needs you, and let's speak a little bit Italian, very important. Like and subscribe, and thank you very much indeed for your time. Ciao.